Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get Zeus in Fisch. First, you must complete the Zeus trial, which is your gateway to all things Zeus-related. This trial involves 2 minigames, red light, green light, and a glass bridge challenge. You need to finish both within 5 minutes. Successfully completing these will reveal an 8-digit code, which you then enter at the vault door to unlock it permanently. Next, let's get the heart of Zeus. You'll find 5 levers scattered across Forsaken Shores Island. Pull them in the correct sequence to spawn TNT. Use this TNT at Grand Reef Island to reveal the heart of Zeus, which acts as a key to Atlantis. Once inside Atlantis, and after completing the Zeus trial, you can purchase the powerful Zeus rod for 1.7 million coins. Now for the Zeus Storm Totem. This epic item costs 1.5 million coins and is found in the Zeus trial room within Atlantis. Using it summons a Zeus storm, which can boost your chances of catching legendary fish. To find Zeus's Herald, a mythical fish, head to Zeus's room in Atlantis. Fish there specifically during nighttime or rainy weather for the best results. To truly maximize your Zeus power, remember the Zeus rod has a 10% chance to summon a thunderstorm, significantly increasing your legendary and mythical fish catch rates. The Zeus Storm Totem can also grant the lightning mutation, boosting fish weight by 70 to 100%. Explore Atlantis thoroughly for hidden secrets and check the description for a link to amazing meal prep containers and other deals to enhance your gaming sessions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.